someone who doesn't quite fit in.
But she is treated badly, and others must give in.
Can I get a curtain?
No, not yet. Curtain. Wait, no.
The ugly woodpecker.
A mother woodpecker was sitting on 3 eggs in her nest. The first 2 eggs hatched. It was a boy and a girl woodpecker. She named them
Wilson and Wilma.
But the 3rd egg would not hatch. It was larger than the other 2 eggs, and it was speckled, while the other 2 eggs were plain white.
I think you're saying a robin's egg, not woodpecker. Or maybe it's an egg of some other bird, like a goose or a peacock.
Stop getting around, Paul Woodpecker. You know good and well this is a woodpecker egg, even if it's large and speckled.
Suit yourself.
So Mama Woodpecker continued to sit on the egg, and after 3 long days, it began to crack. Out popped a strange creature that looked nothing like a woodpecker.
What a strange looking bird.
My word. It has a beak like the bird. It has webbed feet like some birds I know. But where are its wings? Where are its feathers? And what's this strange shell it has?
Little brother, can you drill a hole with your beak like this?
The hatchling tried, but it simply hurt his beak.
Little brother, can you fly like me?
The hatchling waved his arms, but he could not fly.
What kind of bird, what kind of woodpecker are you? You can't fly, you can't drill a hole with your beak? Yeah, what kind of woodpecker are you? You're the ugliest woodpecker I've ever seen. Children! Children! Come dang!
Pipe down, children. I don't really think this is your little brother. I think it's a duck. We need to find him a new home among his own kind.
Pa Woodpecker picked up the hatchling and carried him down to the marsh. He left him with a couple of ducks named Danny and Dottie.
Who are you?
Yeah, please identify yourself.
Like one time I was like, when I was born, I was told that I was a woodpecker, but now it's like I'm a duck.
Can you make sounds like this? Quack, quack.
Sorry,
Well, do you low
I'm not sure.
when you walk?
I'm not sure. Here, I'll take a few steps and then tell me.
You have a strange way of walking. Really? No, I don't know, a cool way like
Yeah, that's for sure. You don't even, I don't even know what you are. You're a disgrace to ducks. I think you actually are a very ugly woodpecker.
Those woodpeckers just wanted to get rid of you, but you're certainly not as cool enough to be a duck.
The little creature's feelings were very hurt. If this is how ducks behave, he didn't even want to be a duck. He moved away from them just as fast as his webbed feet would carry him. Soon, he came upon 2 turtles named Tanya and Terry.
Who are you?
Well, I thought it was a woodpecker, but I couldn't drill a hole with my beak, and I couldn't fly.
No, silly. I know what you are. I was asking who you are. pretty toasty looking. You certainly aren't a snake or a rabbit or a moose.
You're a turtle, no doubt about it.
Well, if you don't believe that you're a turtle, there is a simple turtle test. Can you pull your head inside your shell?
The creature gave it a try. Sure enough, he was able to pull his head inside his shell.
No question, you're a turtle.
I'm a turtle. I'm a turtle.
So it was that the ugly woodpecker learned that he was actually a turtle. He immediately changed his name to.
Thaddeus T. Turtle.
He was adopted by Tanya and Terry and their brothers and sisters. Thaddeus T. Turtle was always nice to other animals, no matter how unusual they looked, and he lived happily ever after.